How's it going, guys? Today we're just gonna do a quick unboxing on this Samsung S23 Ultra. This is the lavender color, 512 gigs of space. And here's the box. So it's just the standard Samsung box. Has the lavender colored Galaxy S23 Ultra there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. We'll just cut through these tapes here, through these stickers. Yeah. Let's now go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, here's the box. We already see the camera for the phone itself. This is the first part of the box. Looks like I can see the SIM card tray pin there. Standard, just pretty standard. You have the, obviously I'm with At&t, so I have the At&t flyers. Let's put those aside. There's some more instructions. We have terms and conditions, and voila, that's it. We only have a USB-C connector, and we have the SIM card tray pin so that we can insert our SIM card, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I was hoping there's still some, because this has 45 watts charging, so I wish there's a included power brick, right? So, but that's it. That's what they gave us. Here's the phone. Wow, pretty lavender color. So I chose this color because I'm gonna give this one to my wife after I used it for a bit. That's the best part, right? Removing the sticker, and that's pretty much it. There's the phone. It's pretty hefty. Powering it up, we have At&t. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, but color's beautiful, lavender. All right, so already put in the case that I purchased. This is a carved case. It has a wood exterior, but it has protection inside. It's carved by laser, but looks good. I really love their cases. If anyone needs some links, I can provide it to you. Just let me know in the comments. Yeah, so already set it up. Already changed the wallpapers. I'm not gonna do a review, just unboxing this thing. And this is a very good phone, guys. Very fast. Battery lasts a lot longer. I was using iPhones for my work and the Fold 3 for personal use, but this is really the best, guys. I highly recommend it. Alright, see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one. Please like and share and subscribe.